After 2 years, I shopped fashion category on Amazon, and I'm so. Hi guys, this is Chaitra, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. And yes, if you're new here, then please spare a moment and hit the subscribe button. And yeah, for today's video, it's gonna be super exciting. It's one of my favorite topic. It's Amazon haul video. I remember I did one Amazon video back in, I don't even remember the year, maybe 2 or 3 years back, when I just started my YouTube channel, and post that I just disappeared. I'm so sorry for that. Yes, now I'll try my best to be active here and post lots and lots of content. So yeah, I think enough blabbering, and we should definitely get started with the haul video, because I have lots of things to share it with you all, and I don't want this video to be super long. So let's get started with the haul video. Let's start with the top that I am already wearing. This one is a super basic black top. It has this cross neck, cross shoulder, whatever, one shoulder. Yeah, obviously this is one shoulder, but it also has this cross neck kind of thing, which I absolutely love. Even the back is really nice. Let me show it to you all. This is in size small, and it retails for rupees 199, like literally 199. I'm happy with how it looks here. I mean, it fits perfectly. It looks really nice. बट बैक में ना थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है. इट लुक्स लाइक रियली वियर्ड, सो आई थिंक आई हैव टू पिन इट अप. और मैंने सोचा मैं एक्सचेंज करूंगी, बट और कोई साइज ऑप्शन अवेलेबल ही नहीं है. दिस इज इन साइज स्मॉल. एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल है ही नहीं, सो यू गेट small, medium, large or XL, I guess. But yeah, 199 for this top is a pretty steal deal, and the quality is also really nice. So when I opened the packet and saw the top for the first time, I thought the top is slightly sheer, but it's not. I mean, it's perfect. 199 is a pretty steal deal, and black is a must have. Like, you can style it in so many different ways. It can go with your skirt, jeans. Right now I'm wearing a denim skirt, but yeah, it can be styled in so many ways. That's the reason why I bought this. Then I have this pretty dress. As you can see, it's a flare dress, and guess the price. Like, literally, I'll give you 5 seconds. Go guess the price. Did you guess it? I'll tell you. It's for rupees 449. Literally, like 449 for this one. Oh my god. I mean, this literally looks like a Zara or an H&M dress. Look at the flare. This is in grey color. It looks powder blue, I think, on camera, but it is proper grey. इसमें ना और भी बहुत सारे color options थे, like magenta, pink भी था शायद, and peach भी था, but I have like similar colors, and I don't remember the last time I bought a grey dress, so I thought, I'll buy this. This looks really nice on camera, off camera. It looks really nice, and the quality is also really nice, I must say. The best part is it has this lining underneath, so you don't have to worry about anything showing up, and it's not that short, it is not that long. I wish they had one more option of really long maxi dress with this flares. If in future I find something of that sort on Amazon, I'm definitely gonna pick it up. But yeah, that's my second purchase. Also guys, I am not following any proper order. जो मेरे हाथ में लगा वो मैं दिखा रही हूँ. So next is this white top. मुझे ना ब्लैक एंड वाइट टॉप्स लेना बहुत पसंद है. बे ड्रेस और स्कर्ट और टॉप, बेसिक कलर्स बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, बिकॉज यू कैन स्टाइल इट इन सो मेनी डिफरेंट वेज. तो जब कुछ पता नहीं चलता है क्या पहन के जाना है बाहर, so these colors come really handy. So yeah, talking about this top, it is a crop top. It is from the brand Avan, and I paid rupees 475 for this, and the material is really thick. Basically क्या होता है ना, जब भी आप white top लेते हो तो you have to be very careful, because अगर पतला material निकला, then So yeah, while shopping online, I was just hoping ये material बहुत अच्छा हो, and luckily this material is really very nice. As you can see, it is not that transparent. Just wear a white or a nude inner, and you're good to go. This is really cool. I really like this collar detail, and also it has a very beautiful neckline. It is not that deep, but it looks really very nice. This is a really cute top. You can style it in so many different ways, and I think I'm in size small. It fits me perfectly. कुछ issue नहीं है, हर जगह से fitting एकदम perfect है. So if you are in college, I think this white top will be a perfect fit with denim jeans, ripped jeans, white canvas, and you'll be good to go. Okay, one of my favorite top is here. I can't believe I found this on Amazon. मुझे लगता था ना Amazon में इतने fashionable कपड़े नहीं मिलते, but I was really wrong. बहुत अच्छे अच्छे फैशनेबल कपड़े मिलते हैं यहाँ पे. If you give some time and just explore, you will definitely find good brands, and that's what I have learned. So this top is really pretty. It's a sequin top. Can you believe it? I found this on Amazon. Look at the detailing, the shine, the color. It looks so royal, and oh my god, it also has padding in it, so you don't have to wear a bra or anything. It's really good. It is one of my favorite. I mean, whatever I bought, सभी मेरे favorite है, but ये top ना, it is slightly थोड़ा ज़्यादा favorite. Slightly थोड़ा ज़्यादा. Anyways, बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे ये top. I'm in the size M. I could have gone for small, but I think this cup portion I need slightly more coverage. So I thought M would be perfect, and I think it is perfect. And I paid rupees 399 for this top, which is just 400, and you can style it with your sari. You can also wear it with the denim. I don't know how I'm gonna style it. Maybe I'll style it with a black leather pant or something of that sort. Honestly, this is a very perfect clubbing outfit, party outfit. अगर किसी का birthday भी हो ना, I think this is a perfect birthday outfit. ये बहुत अच्छा लगने वाला है. Once you style it properly with hair, makeup, jewelry, it will look amazing. Next one is again my favorite pick. It's this dress. Let me open it and show it to you all. This one is literally urbanic kind of dress. I'm not even kidding you. It also has this cut जो कि ड्रेस को और भी ज्यादा प्रिटी कर रहा है. And it's not that short, not that long. It's just so perfect. Even the back is so pretty. It has a deep neck, which I absolutely love. And again, इसका प्राइस है 449 rupees. I mean, can you imagine? You got this urbanic kind of dress which fits perfectly. The material is also really nice. Even the color is really nice. I don't think इसमें और कोई कलर ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल था, बट आई लाइक पिंक कलर. और ऐसे पैटर्न के ड्रेसेस आई गेस मेरे वार्डरोब में नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट टाइड आई. आई डोंट थिंक दिस इज टाइड आई. हो भी सकता है, व्हाटएवर इट इज, बट इट लुक्स रियली नाइस. एंड फॉर 449 इट्स डेफिनेटली अ स्टील डील. यू शुड डेफिनेटली चेक दिस आउट. बर्थडे के लिए भी ये परफेक्ट है. I think I should make another video wherein I can show you guys, proper birthday outfit under rupees so and so from Amazon. We'll do that next time. Next again, I have this super basic top. This is again from the brand Avan, and this is for rupees 349, and I am in the size extra small. I guess सब ब्रांड के साइजेस बहुत अलग और बहुत वियर्ड है यार. किसी में मैं स्मॉल आ रही हूँ, किसी में एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल आ रही हूँ, किसी में मीडियम आ रही हूँ. बट एनी वेज जस्ट गो थ्रू द साइज चार्ट वाइल यू ऑर्डर. ऐसे ही मतलब एक अगर आपको लगता है कि एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल आ जाएगा, सब वही सेम साइज में मत करना. जस्ट गो थ्रू दी साइज चार्ट परफेक्टली एंड देन सिलेक्ट योर साइजेस. So yeah, that's how it looks. Pretty basic, कुछ ज्यादा fancy नहीं है. I really like the cut detailing though. When you wear it now, you can see the cut here, which looks really classy. मतलब ये basic top में भी there is this classy element which I love. Plus the material is also really soft. It is thick, not at all transparent, as you can see. बहुत अच्छे क्वालिटी का लग रहा है मुझे ये. And the price is also really good. So yeah, you can go for this. I think the light is fluctuating. मैं विंडो के सामने शूट कर रही हूँ and sun बार बार आ रहा है जा रहा है. It's a rainy day, so can't help. So yeah, just bear with me. And you saw this vibrant color. ये कलर ना मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, and I think it suits me really well. It's a quad set and it is in satin, so it has a palazzo pant. It is super flary, so it is like very comfortable. Tight नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. And I paid rupees 789 for this set. इसका टॉप भी ना बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है. ऐसे देखोगे ना तो you'll just feel जस्ट ऐसे प्लेन कपड़ा है, बट वंस यू ट्राई इट ऑन यूल अंडरस्टैंड कैसे फिट होता है. यहाँ पे आप देख लेना. The fit is amazing. It's like a one shoulder thing. 789 में I got this cord set, which is a pretty great deal, I must say. And this outfit, I mean the overall fit, I feel it's very classy. It looks very elegant and rich. The material is also very rich. You can style it for cocktail party as well. Just you have to make sure that you're wearing right accessories, and then you'll be good to go. And yeah, overall I love this cord set. I also found the prettiest sari from Amazon, which is under rupees 1000. Can you believe it? And I paid only rupees 859. Sorry, वो साड़ी अभी मेरे पास यहाँ पे नहीं है. I have given it to my tailor to stitch the blouse, but here's how I styled it. If you are following me on Instagram, then you might have already seen my reel video. अगर नहीं देखा है तो जाके देख लो. It looks so perfect. I styled it with my beige top. It looks so good. समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है as such. So if you don't want to stitch the blouse, you can go with your top. बहुत अच्छा दिखेगा. Plus the jacket thing, it is amazing. I mean, the moment I saw this on Amazon, I was like, I have to get this. Because a sari with a blouse, that too for rupees 859, is definitely a steal deal. और अब मैंने थोड़े टाइम पहले ही स्क्रॉल किया था Amazon, तब ये साड़ी का प्राइस कुछ 1005 रुपीज या 10 रुपीज हो गया है, which is like still okay, but you can wait for couple of days, so maybe prices will come down. But जब मैंने purchase किया था, it was only for rupees 859, and the material is good, the fabric is so stunning, it looks so rich. As I told you, I love satin, तो satin में मुझे कुछ भी दे दो यार, I'll style it and I will wear it comfortably. And ये वाला satin, it is pretty comfortable, ऐसे कुछ लगेगा नहीं आपको. I have styled it here in both the style, with or without jacket. I personally love both. मतलब अगर एकदम ही ज्यादा रिसेप्शन एंड ऑल में जाना होगा तो I'll wear that jacket, एंड अगर ऐसे ही कुछ शादी में जाना है तो I will definitely wear it only as a sari without the jacket. The best part about this sari is that you can style it in Indo-Western way or proper Indian way. इसीलिए मैंने ये साड़ी पिक किया, because I know I'm gonna style this in multiple ways and make the best use of it. Again we have a black top. This time it's leather and I paid only rupees 399, which is 400. It's a great deal, I must say. एंड ओवरऑल इसकी मटेरियल भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. इट इज़, आई मीन दी साइज मीडियम, थोड़ा सा लूज है ये मेरे लिए, बट अगेन द बस्ट एरिया, आई जस्ट वॉन्ट द टॉप टू बी रियली कंफर्टेबल, बिकॉज ये लेदर मटेरियल है. अगर मैंने स्मॉल लिया होता तो ये एकदम ऐसे टाइट बैठता और मैं कंफर्टेबल नहीं फील करती, इसलिए मैंने मीडियम लिया, सो दैट whenever I go out I feel comfortable, ज़्यादा वो sticky ना हो, because you guys know leather material is really hard to manage. The best part about this top is that इसके अंदर ना leather नहीं है, it is cotton and it is really very soft. So अंदर से आपको बिल्कुल भी uncomfortable नहीं लगने वाला है. I know there are so many leather pants, leather tops जो अंदर भी leather होते हैं and जिससे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा uncomfortable feel होता है. These kind of material are really nice. बाहर से it looks leather, looks very stylish, and अंदर से you are very comfortable. Plus it has that halter neck kind of thing which looks really stunning, very classy. You can style it in so many different ways. मैं ना बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ इसको style करने के लिए, because this is a really unique top and I love how it fits on me and how it looks on me. So if you're a little uncomfortable showing your skin, what you can do is इसको थोड़ा सा tight कर सकते हो, so that it's all covered. If you're comfortable showing your skin, तो बस आपको इसको थोड़ा सा loose करना है and it will look so amazing, so stunning, so hot. We are coming towards the end of this video. I still have 2 more things to show it to you all. We have this top. It's a pink top. I love the color. I think I picked 2 black and 2 pink in this haul. And ऐसे colors बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं and you rarely find these things. I think they also have some color options. Yeah, I think they had some color options in this. And it also has this knot kind of thing, and again I paid rupees 400, which is 399 for this top. This is actually a party wear kind of thing, perfect for your birthday or clubbing night or date night. You can style it with a pretty skirt or trousers and it's gonna look so good. You can also add on a blazer if you want to, for that edgy classy look. The neck is pretty decent. If you're not comfortable wearing a deep neck, you can wear a tube top or something. I personally like to style it as it is, and I think I'll style this with a skirt or something or a pretty trouser. Overall it's a good purchase. It looks very decent, classy and stylish. Last is a cord set. You can see the size already. I am in the size small. This is very pretty. It's a floral dress. Let me show it to you. It's a cord set basically, and it is for rupees 494. That's a weird pricing though, but yeah, it's nice. Like it is under rupees 500 and it's a pretty good deal. This is a top and ये से knot बांधने जैसा होता है ना, it is like that. You can see it here. बहुत अच्छा fit है. It is really comfortable. The material is really nice. Feels so soft. It's a pretty nice top. अगर आपको सिर्फ as a top भी पहनना है तो आप इसको style कर सकते हो. Even the skirt is really pretty. Yeah, talking about this knot thing, ये ना बहुत अच्छे से, I mean, however you want, you can style it. If you're good with all these, tie around thing, you can style it in your different way. It's a crop top again, so you can style it with your jeans और कोई और स्कर्ट या पैंट के साथ भी अच्छे से स्टाइल कर सकते हो. This also has this stretchy kind of thing back में, तो अगर आप एक साइज स्मॉल भी लोगे ना तो भी you will fit in आराम से, which is the best part. I also like this tie up kind of thing because you can tie this top in so many different way, but I think classy ribbon वाला knot बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. And here's the skirt. It's a pretty nice decent skirt. Oh my god, I love the flare. I mean, look at this. It also has a slit, which is just so perfect. Even this is stretchable. I mean, front में it is plain, पीछे you get this stretchable thing. तो अगर एक साइज डाउन भी कर लिया होता ना, मुझे फिट आ जाता, ये कोई टेंशन ही नहीं था. मुझे लग रहा था कि शायद इट वोंट फिट मी बिकॉज साइज चार्ट इतना डिटेल में मेंशन नहीं किया था इन्होंने. सो आई थॉट आई विल गो विथ स्मॉल, बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. Overall, I like this skirt. It is not at all sheer. It is really nice material, and for 494 rupees, what else do you expect? It's a pretty great deal. It is giving that Pinteresty picnic vibe, if you know what I mean. बहुत वैसे लग रहा है, you can style it with a jute bag or a canvas bag. It will look so aesthetic. This dress gives me that aesthetic vibe, and that's the reason why I picked it up. That's all for today's video. I think I have shown 11 items. ये 11 चीजें मैंने खरीदी थी, सब perfect है. सिर्फ ये टॉप थोड़ा सा लूज है, बट स्टिल आई कैन पिन इट अप, ये इजीली फिक्स हो जाएगा. सो आई एम वेरी 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 हैप्पी विद माई Amazon परचेज आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग. आई मीन, तभी जब मैंने हॉल बनाया था तब खरीदा था, उसके बाद आई डोंट थिंक मैंने कोई Amazon फैशन कुछ खरीदा होगा, सिर्फ गैजेट्स एंड बाकी सब घर की चीजें. आफ्टर 2 years आई शॉप्ड फैशन कैटेगरी ऑन Amazon एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी. सो ये 2 साल में व्हाट आई हैव रियलाइज्ड इज उन्होंने अपना स्टाइल गेम चेंज किया है. दे हैव एडेड सो मेनी डिफरेंट वेरिएशन, कलेक्शन एंड बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है, पैटर्न्स है, विच इज अ गुड थिंग. आई थिंक मुझे उनका फुटवेयर, बैग कलेक्शन, एक्सेसरीज कलेक्शन भी ट्राई करना चाहिए. लेट मी नो व्हाट यू गाइस थिंक. ऑल्सो आई लिंक ऑल द डिटेल्स ऑफ दीज outfit in the description down below, so please go and check that. Thank you so much for watching. Just make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, comment down which one is your favorite pick, and do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye.